Hello, today I'm participating in the collaboration of Scary Good Food. And my Scary Good Food are stuffed pepper jack-o'-lanterns. They are going to be delicious and a little creepy. Be sure and watch all of the videos on Scary Good Food by clicking on the hashtag. I will include that in the description of the video. Let's get started. To make Scary Good Food stuffed pepper jack-o'-lanterns, start with 4 orange bell peppers. Now use orange bell peppers for the most authentic jack-o'-lantern look. You're going to slice the top off, making a lid, then remove all the seeds and the membrane. Now all you have to do is simply carve a jack-o'-lantern face into the orange bell peppers. Be creative with your jack-o'-lantern faces. I used a paring knife to carve out just a simple design. But if you're not comfortable with carving the jack-o'-lantern faces, you can use cookie cutters to cut out shapes from the peppers, but it's a little awkward. I'm very proud of what I did with my jack-o'-lanterns. Now what you need to do is bring a large pot of water to boil, and then put your peppers and the lids in. And you're going to want to boil those for 3 minutes and then drain and rinse them in cool water. Do not overcook the peppers or they'll become mushy. If you are enjoying my video, please subscribe and choose the bell for receiving notifications of my new videos. Now heat a large skillet and add 1 pound of ground beef. This is also tasty using ground turkey. Now break the beef into small pieces as it cooks and add 1/2 cup of chopped onions. Now you're going to want to continue to stir the onions and the beef as you cook it, breaking it into small pieces, and do this until the beef is nicely browned. Take several paper towels and carefully soak up the fat. Then I use my tongs to remove those paper towels. You need to be careful, you don't want to burn yourself. Now add 1 clove of garlic that has been finely chopped. You could use a teaspoon of garlic powder if you prefer. Now this is going to be so scary good. Let the garlic cook and release its flavor for about 30 seconds. For a spicier filling, add a pinch of cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Next you will add 2/3 of the can of chopped tomatoes. Now that's a 14.5 ounce can. And add 1 cup of cooked rice. You're going to prepare your rice ahead of time using the package's instructions. Now stir that in and let the mixture heat thoroughly. Now it's time to stuff your jack-o'-lantern peppers with the meat and rice mixture. I ended up having plenty of stuffing for my peppers, and as I was trying to fill them, it did overflow, which is okay because it makes it nice to have the extra filling. Then top the stuffed peppers with the remaining chopped tomatoes. And then sprinkle 3/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese over the top. Yum, these are looking good. Now cover your dish and bake the peppers in a 350-degree Fahrenheit preheated oven. Bake those for 10 minutes and then remove the cover and bake for another 15 minutes. Well, they're finished. Aren't they adorable? Scary good food. Yes. Aren't these scary good food? If you like this video, please come back and watch other videos. Thanks. Enjoy. Serve your scary good food stuffed pepper jack-o'-lanterns at your next Halloween party or as a fun and healthy family meal. They're sure to be a hit.